I got someone on my patio I've never seen before. Little squirrel guy. He's like trying to escape now. Don't come in here. That's where you go. Where'd you come from, Mr. Squirrel? Get attacked by rabbits. Hi! What are you doing? Hi! You shouldn't be up here. No, you shouldn't. You gotta go elsewhere, buddy. Bye-bye. Not that way. Where you gonna go? Where you gonna go? He's... Huh? Oops. Good luck. Go ahead. He's not happy. You fucked up. Pardon my language. Come on. What are you gonna do, buddy? He's like, damn it, dude. I don't want to jump. You don't have to jump, dude. Crawl down. You don't have to jump. What are you doing? You don't have to jump, buddy. Go down the wall. Come on. All right, I'll leave you alone and let you figure it out. Freaking him out.